A major shift is underway as companies have adopted more robust ESG initiatives and reporting practices in accordance with stakeholder requirements, requests, and expectations. Workday can help stay on track with ESG initiatives and reporting by delivering critical sustainability information to decision makers. This provides the context needed to align business decisions with ESG initiatives on topics material to each industry and company. In this video, we'll look at how Workday supports a supplier engagement use case for more sustainable procurement practices, a common goal often shared across finance and sustainability teams. Then we'll see how granular diversity data can help HR and recruitment teams to foster an inclusive company culture. Teresa Serrano's company recently enrolled in a science-based target, or SBT initiative, which helps set greenhouse gas emissions reduction targets for companies and their supply chains. Teresa's procurement team needs access to supplier sustainability information to prioritize relationships with vendors that meet the company's highest standards. Workday Strategic Sourcing makes it simple to collect this information from suppliers and surface it to decision makers. The supplier directory is flexible and configurable, providing instant visibility into all the critical ESG metrics procurement needs to see at a glance. Traditional indicators like approval status or tier, risk indicators, and ESG data like science-based target and women or minority ownership status can all help compare supplier sustainability. In addition to a high-level summary, Teresa can drill into the supplier profile to see additional relevant data. Purchasing may mandate suppliers meet certain requirements like emissions, building code, or labor standards, or demonstrate certifications on ethical and sustainable sourcing. Certain ESG reporting also mandates reporting on Scope 3, or supplier greenhouse gases emissions. Having this information at their fingertips makes it easier for Teresa's procurement managers to align decisions with corporate sustainability objectives. On her supplier accounts dashboard, Teresa can also combine this information with financial data to analyze the percentage of spend attributed to suppliers that have a set science-based target. She can identify critical information for her science-based target initiative, such as whether her top suppliers have set their own SBT or not. Just as Teresa would manage invoicing and supplier contracts, she can easily collaborate with her sustainability peers to view shared notes on the vendor's sustainability programs and SBT status, or reach out to the vendor's contacts directly to get updates on how that company is managing their own sustainability initiatives. Next, let's explore how Workday can help tackle issues in the social category, like employee diversity and belonging. For companies seeking to provide an equitable experience for all employees, Workday's rich reporting can deliver data to help identify opportunities for improvement, and journeys and learning content can provide training on how to make a difference in these moments. For example, Carmen Cortez is a recruiter for an organization with a goal of making measurable improvements on social ESG issues, including hiring diversity. Carmen wants to support her organization's objective to bring new diverse candidates into the company, but she needs access to more information to know where to start. With the Recruiting Diversity dashboard, she can see recruiting metrics across many different dimensions. For example, data source or pipeline status by ethnicity. One of the challenges often cited is a lack of access to diverse candidates. But with Workday, Carmen can easily identify which applicant sources have generated the most candidates across various demographics, and can uncover potential sources she hadn't realized may offer a new pipeline of talent. This could become the basis for a new recruiting campaign, or at least serve as an additional dimension when evaluating expenditures on various candidate sources. In addition, Carmen can be more aware of bottlenecks in the recruiting process, such as in this example, where she notices that only a few Black and African American candidates in the US are making it past the recruiting stage. She wants to make a difference, but needs a little support on where to start. Fortunately, she can access learning content and other experiences in her Building Belonging journey through Workday. Here, she has personalized recommendations to help her learn how to improve employee belonging and equity through her work, whether with a welcome video from her Chief Diversity Officer or curated learning content around the role she plays in fostering workplace diversity. In both of these examples, we saw the importance of incorporating ESG data throughout operations across the business. Improving ESG performance is only possible when sustainability is incorporated at every level of decision-making, and Workday's single platform for data and analytics seamlessly facilitates that transformation.